Hello students, welcome to Easy PG Microbiology. This is the discussion of the question paper of Common PG Entrance 2020 for MSc Microbiology conducted by Government of Orissa. In the last two videos, we have discussed the first 50 questions which were asked in the year 2020, the previous year. Now we'll be discussing the remaining of the 20 questions. Question number 51. One of the following is not a prokaryote. A. Methanogen, B. Acetogen, C. Enterobacteria, D. Candida. The correct option is D. Candida, which is a fungus and eukaryote. Question 52. Resolving power of a microscope is a function of A. Wavelength of light used, B. Numerical aperture of lens system, C. Refractive index, D. Both A and B. The correct option is D. Both A and B, that is wavelength of light used and numerical aperture of lens system. Question 53. In which specific growth phase the recipient bacterial cell develops competency to take up donor DNA during transformation? Option A. Lag phase, B. Stationary phase, C. Late exponential phase, D. Early exponential phase. The correct option is C. Late exponential phase. Question 54. Name the enzyme that acts on the DNA after its entry into the recipient cell during bacterial transformation. A. Ligase, B. Endonuclease, C. Deoxyribonuclease, D. Exonuclease. The correct option is C. Deoxyribonuclease. Question 55. A HFR bacteria conjugates with F plasmid containing bacterium. What will be type of bacterium after the conjugation is complete? AF plus, BF minus, CF, D, HFR. The correct option is C. A is also the correct option because there is, I think, no difference between the F plus and F. So there is a discrepancy in these two options. Both of these, they are same. Question 56. Yeast extract is usually employed in bacteriological culture medium because it acts as the source of A. Vitamin and micronutrient, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon, D. Carbon and vitamin. The correct option is D. Carbon and vitamin. Question 57. Which of the following microbial product is used as bioplastic? Options are A. Polystyrene, B. Polypropylene, C. Polyhydroxybutyrate, D. Dextran. The correct option is C. Polyhydroxybutyrate, abbreviated as PHB. Question 58. Bacillus thuringiensis is used as A. Insecticide, B. Fungicide, C. Rodenticide, D. Microbiocide. The correct option is A. Insecticide. Question 59. Which of the following is rich source of protein? A. Spirulina, B. Chlorella, C. Synedesmus, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 60. Retroviruses like HIV, which causes AIDS, are A. RNA virus, B. DNA virus, C. Both RNA and DNA present, D. No genetic material. The correct option is A. RNA virus. Question 61. Which of the following is single-stranded RNA virus? A. SARS coronavirus, B. rotavirus, C. hepatitis B virus, D. all of the above. The correct option is A. SARS coronavirus. Question 62. Capsid of a virus constitutes A. proteins embedded in lipid layer, B. protein and lipid, C. capsomers, D. glycolipid. The correct option is C. capsomers. Question 63. Which clinical sample is used to diagnose hepatitis B? A. liver biopsy, B. blood, C. fecal samples, D. throat swab. The correct option is B. blood. Question 64. Enveloped viruses matured and released by A. rupturing the cell membrane, B. incorporating host DNA into viral capsid, C. budding from cell membrane, D. a combination of virus and host genome. The correct option is C. budding from cell membrane. Question 65. Who is considered as father of virology? A. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, B. Charles Chamberlain, C. Martinus Beijerinck, D. Louis Pasteur. The correct option is Martinus Beijerinck. Question 66. Pox viruses are A. enveloped DNA virus, B. non-enveloped DNA virus, C. enveloped RNA virus, D. non-enveloped RNA virus. The correct option is A. enveloped DNA virus. Question 67. Icosahedral structure of virus has A. 6 faces, B. 20 faces, C. 10 faces, D. single face. The correct option is B. 20 faces. Question 68. The virus of family Baculoviridae infects A. cattle, B. tobacco, C. fish, D. insects. The correct answer is D. insects. The structure of tobacco mosaic virus is A. helical, B. cuboidal, C. round, D. icosahedral. The correct option is A. helical. Question number 70. Industrial fermentation of vinegar involves A. yeast only, B. yeast and lactic acid bacteria, C. yeast and acetic acid bacteria, D. yeast and butyric acid bacteria. The correct option is C. yeast and acetic acid bacteria. So that was the solution of the previous year question paper. Hope you have got your answers. If there is any doubt or you want clarification of any particular question, then you can comment for it. If you are in disagreement of any of the answers which are discussed here, then again you can comment for any suggestions. If you want the answers of any other particular question paper, you can mention in the comments. Thanks for your patient listening.